Hello again, Earthlings. Today I'm going to show you how to easily remove car sticker. And I'm going to install this new awesome sticker that I just made. Let's get started. First, apply heat using a heat gun to smoothen the sticker. Then just peel away all the sticker. Here you can see the sticker residue. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to remove this residue. I'm using this decal rubber eraser I bought from Shopee. Still got a bit of residue left. Final step, I'm using penetrating lubricant. Usually people use WD-40 brand, but I'm broke, so I use a cheaper alternative hardens. Future Kustomz Garage boss. Just spray and wipe using cloth. Here is the result. No damage to the paint. Wash before installing the new decals.
For someone that wasn't worth the wait, I'm counting down the days.
Time to install the new decals.